welcome back to another episode of our YouTube channel From Teacher to Teacher. I'm Mr. Peppa and today I'll be going over a very brief tutorial of Google Classroom and all the awesome different features and abilities that it has. So to get Google Classroom, the very first thing that you need to do is log into your Google account. My first step is to go to google.com. Once you're logged in, I want you to click on what I like to call the waffle item right here. It is in the very top right corner. Then you want to search for the icon that looks just like this Google Classroom. It is right here. If you can find it, there may be a little button down below after the last row of apps that says show more. If you click the show more, you will then find Google Classroom. Otherwise, you just need to scroll down your mouse. Once you click on that icon, will then be sent to your Google Classroom homepage. This is what a student's classroom looks like if you're in the middle school or high school level, where you bounce between different classrooms for each subject with a different teacher. Of your elementary or primary teacher, you will most likely have only one classroom, which means you will only see one box. In each one of these boxes is a different classroom if you're in the middle school or high school. So let's take a look at one of the classrooms. For this classroom, as you can see right here, the big main section is all of the different post announcements and big items that are coming up in the classroom. This is like what would you say is a Facebook feed or a Twitter feed, where you will see chronologically all the different things or activities going on in the classroom. Now what I'm going to show you is how to create a class in Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is to go up here in the plus section. Then you will find two options. The first one is join the class or create a class. As you're a teacher, you're going to create a class and it will pop up this window which says using Classroom at a school with students, that you have to check that you have read and understand the above notice, and then you're ready to go. Then you click on continue. After this, you're going to give the class name, which is required. The other fields are not required, but you can write them. So in this case, we are going to type in classroom for teacher. Then the section would be, let's say, from teacher to teacher, FTTT. Then the subject is Google Classroom, and the room would be FTT1. Then you will have to click on create, and this is pretty much the first step, the first big step. Then you will have this screen. You have the title, Classroom for Teachers. Then I'm going to show you the class code. This code is generated automatically by Google, and students are going to use that code to log into your classroom, to join your class. Now we're going to select the theme and the colors. Like, for example, you have English and history, math and science, arts, sports, etc. So we're going to randomly choose one. Let me see, kind of like this. Okay, I'm gonna click it and then select class theme, and you will see the way the whole thing has changed. The upper part, you have stream, classwork, people, and grades. Now I'm going to send a message to, let me see, 1 class, 2, 3 classes, or whatever you have. Then I'm gonna write uh, just a welcome message. You're gonna type welcome, and then you're set to go. You have some, you can pause it or you can schedule. Then you can add some other things. For this time I'm just going to type to click pause. Very good. This part you can add some comments. You can, if you click there, you can copy the link, then you can share it, you can edit, or you can delete your comment. So it has pretty much everything you need to do this. So Google Classroom is a very easy way to keep track of all the different assignments that you have coming up and keep yourself organized. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any other questions, or would you like me to cover any other topics within Google Classroom. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.